Hello everybody, this is Poppy Forte. It's been a while since I've done a walkthrough on my shop, so I figured I'd just do a quick walkthrough so that you can see what my shop consists of. Here I am, I'm over here. I've got my CNC machine, and today I just cut out some welcome signs. Alright, got the P2S laser here. Obviously I got my computer right there. Alright, and these cabinets I built myself. Alright, well, I didn't decorate them because this is a workshop. I don't see so much need to doing a bunch of decorations. You know, there's back here there's a bunch of different jigs that I've built, okay, over the time. You know, a mortise and tenon jig. Okay, also I've got a table saw sled. And here's my assembly table. Today I just cut these welcome signs, and it's going to have translucent plastic in the middle. Alright, so it's going to be a great outdoor sign. Also, I'm making up key tags today. You know, I'm trying to get some of my clients from my other business interested in my woodworking. Alright, and there's a phone holder that I just completed today. Alright, also in the cabinets in here, this is where I keep some storage for my quick tools. And then just below is going to be my charging. Alright, in the drawers here, to give you an idea, I've got multiple routers in this drawer here, and then, you know, as I go through, you know, the clamps. Also a whole bunch of router bits. Okay, going through over here, I got my sanders and some of my other jigs. Okay, again, sandpaper. So I'm just walking through, just giving you an idea. There's my dust collector. In here I built this table here, and built into it I've got a router table built into it, and I've also got a saw built into it as well. Alright, and I built the Bismeier fence on here. Alright. In here I do have another table saw. I use that mostly for dados. Alright, in here I've got this, there's going to be a door. I'm just waiting for to finish it. Waiting for some general finishes to come tomorrow. Alright, table. This is a tabletop, okay, for a lanai table that you just saw a few minutes ago. I'm just waiting for it to fully cure so I can polish it. Back here, okay, this is my wood inventory. So I got all my wood stacked up, a whole bunch of cut-offs. Got sapelli, got some hickory, got hard maple, okay. I got bobinga, okay, very expensive wood. And I haven't quite decided what I'm going to use that for. Cherry and many other assortments of wood. Over here I do have another router table. Okay, I got my lathe. Alright, in here I got my jointer. And in the jointer I had actually changed over the head. So in here it's got a helical head. And of course you got the bandsaw here. And on the back of my bench here, I'd actually put, okay, an outfeed table, which can be flipped up at any time. Alright, also I got more storage here, and that's my plywood cart there. Now on the plywood cart, I'm just going to walk around. As you see, I've got quite a bit of Baltic birch. 3/4, half, and 1/4. Full sheets and also cut-offs. Alright, coming over to the other side of my shop. Alright, I got my drill press. I got my other DeWalt planer here. Now the problem with this planer is that it quit on me, and I've got a motor ordered for it so that I can go ahead and resell it so somebody else can have the use out of it. And also I got another toolbox in here. So that you can see I got the toolbox here. Also I got my bathroom right in my shop. All right, so, and you can see some of the projects I've been working on. And just do a step back so that you can see the shop. Oh, one thing I didn't mention. Okay, we got the dust collector up and hanging off the ceiling. That's one that I built. Okay, multiple lights in here. So I got a pretty good setup with a bunch of tools in here. So anyway, just bringing everybody up to speed on some of the stuff I've got working. Thanks.